Welcome to Season 2 of Radiant Moments Caregiver Oasis, your sanctuary for nurturing hope, igniting resilience, and empowering caregivers every day. I'm so grateful you're here to continue this heart-centered caregiving journey together. Let's settle in and begin today's radiant moment. Hello and welcome. It's truly a joy to have you here in this cozy, safe space we share. If we haven't met yet, I'm Michelle. I'm a fellow caregiver and living proof that even in the busiest, toughest day, there's always room for love, light, and growth. Let's start by making a cuppa together. The simple rhythm of preparing tea is a kind of invitation into this moment of calm we're creating. So if you have your tea supplies nearby, which I have, go ahead and grab them now. Begin by filling your kettle and bringing the water to a gentle boil. This little act is an invitation to pause. While we wait for the water to heat, you might reach for your favorite tea. Today, I'm choosing a calming Lipton. A reminder that caregiving, while beautiful, can also be exhausting. It's okay to take these small moments to replenish. Place your tea bag or your loose leaves into your cup and add a sugar if you need a little sweetening. And breathe in the soothing aroma. Let this be the start of a gentle journey we'll take together today. You know, caregiving is a profound journey. The days often feel full, sometimes overwhelming, with demands tugging us in every direction. And yet, tucked inside those hectic hours are countless small moments where life whispers. Pause, breathe, and notice. Our water is ready. Pour it over the tea and watch the steam rise. A little signal that moments of warmth and calm are possible. While the tea steeps, I'm excited to invite you into a 7-day gratitude challenge designed just for caregivers like us. It's a small, gentle way to lean into presence and discover how noticing the sparks of joy, even on the toughest days, can transform your caregiving journey. If you're ready, let's take a deep breath together. Take a slow sip with me now. Feel the warmth. Let's carry this calm forward into today's radiant moments. Let me share a little story. Just a few weeks ago, on one of those long, simply overwhelming days, I found myself sitting with my cup of tea. My shoulders felt really heavy. My to-do list was longer than I wanted to admit. In that moment, I reminded myself to look for one thing I could be grateful for. It didn't have to be big. Sometimes tiny things make the biggest difference. That day, it was the gentle morning light spilling through the window and resting on my favorite chair. That one small moment of recognition shifted my whole afternoon, softened the edges of stress, and it invited a quiet peace within. Another time, I remember feeling completely spent. Caring for someone I love through a difficult patch. I felt drained, unseen. And yet, when a dear friend sent a simple text just checking in, that tiny act of kindness, it filled a well inside me I'd forgotten I could draw from. Gratitude isn't about ignoring the hard stuff, but about finding light even in the shadow. It's about honoring our human experience and nurturing the parts of ourselves that need care the most. This challenge is an invitation to find your own sparks, whatever they may be. So, here's how it will work. Over the next 7 days, I'll share a simple gratitude prompt each day, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Little invitations to notice and appreciate something in your life. Now, there is absolutely no pressure to do it right. No expectations for how deep or long your reflection should be. This is a space for what feels good and meaningful for you. Some days, you might find the prompts easy to connect with. Other days, especially when caregiving feels heavy, it might feel like a stretch. And that's completely okay. Showing up, even with small steps, it's the whole point. If you want, you can reflect by journaling, saying a quiet thank you, or simply holding the thought in your heart. To support you on this journey of presence and noticing, I created a free gratitude journal. This is my gift to you. This journal is designed to help you capture your reflections and build your gratitude habit as you walk through this challenge and beyond. You can easily download it anytime at jmbinspired.com, but I'll also include it in the description of these episodes. You can also share your reflections with me if you like. I love messages, voice notes, or through our social media posts. Simply hashtag JMB Gratitude Challenge. We're building a caring community to walk this path alongside one another. People often tell me they worry about not doing it perfectly. I want you to hear this clearly. There is no perfect way to practice gratitude. It's yours to shape however feels right. This week is about presence, noticing, and gentle self-support. Let me give you a glimpse of the week ahead with some of the prompts and how you might engage with them. Day 1, one small moment today that made you smile. Maybe it's a silly quirk from your loved one or a favorite song played on the radio. What was it? How did it make you feel? Day 2, a person who has given you comfort or strength. This could be a family member, a friend, or even someone you met briefly, but who made an impact. What did they do or say that touched you? Day 3, something in nature that caught your eye. Birdsong, a blooming flower, the smoothness of a stone. What details stood out to you? And day 4, a simple ritual that grounds you. Maybe it's your morning tea, lighting a candle, or a breathing practice. How does it help you find calm amid the chaos? Day 5, a memory that fills your heart with warmth. Reflect on a moment that brings you comfort or joy when times are hard. What made it meaningful? Day 6, a way you showed yourself kindness recently. Caregiving often means putting ourselves last. What's one small thing you did to nurture yourself? Day 7, an unexpected gift or surprise. What little thing brought delight or relief that you hadn't anticipated? Each prompt is a doorway. You can open it wide and explore, or just peek inside, whatever feels right. Thank you so much for sharing this time and space with me today. Together, we've taken the first steps into the 7-day gratitude challenge, a simple yet powerful way to nurture your heart even in the busy, demanding journey of caregiving. Remember, this challenge isn't about perfection or big leaps. It's about tuning into the small sparks of joy, the quiet moments of love and light that sustain us when days feel overwhelming. As you move through the next week, I invite you to carry this calm with you, like the warmth of that cup of tea we shared at the start. A gentle reminder to pause, breathe, and notice the good amidst the challenges. If you found today's episode comforting and helpful, please consider sharing it with a fellow caregiver who could use a moment of peace and encouragement. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the upcoming episodes where we'll explore the daily prompts, share inspiring stories, and build this nurturing community together. If you haven't yet, I warmly invite you to download your free gratitude journal from jmbinspired.com or in the links below. It's a gentle companion crafted to support your unique caregiving journey and help you keep discovering those sparks of joy every day. You can connect with me and others on social media at JMB Inspired. I'd love to hear how this challenge is supporting you. Thank you for sharing this moment with me today on Radiant Moments Caregiver Oasis. Remember, each small step you take nurtures hope, ignites resilience, and empowers you as a caregiver every single day. I'm honoured to walk this path with you. Until next time, be kind to yourself and remember, you are not alone. We're in this journey together. Take care, and I look forward to sharing more radiant moments with you soon.